Okay guys, we made it to our first stop. Just about getting out of the truck. Ready. Made it out of the truck.
Alright. Why don't you walk around and take a look at that zero turn that we're picking up.
Alright. Well, really rusty. Got a few leads in there, in a way. Well, it's not really that much of a problem. It's not much of a problem at all. Well, I think I found out what's wrong with it.
Really? What?
Leads in the engine.
Yeah.
Guys, can you see those leads in the engine? Yeah. You guys might be watching this on the big screen. If you're watching this on your phone or tablet, what?
Here, let's film this. This is something we just picked up yesterday.
Alright.
There's a wireless winch controller from Hardware. Now let's see. Think it's gonna work?
Yep.
It does work. Very good.
Real good. Guys, I'm gonna jump off 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Down, pull the cable out. And it should be as easy as just hitting the button.
Yep. Alrighty. Okay guys, he's got that hook. Gonna hook it to, what's it called again?
This?
No, the tractor.
This is a zero turn.
Yeah, zero turn. Right. Just gonna hook it to the zero turn somewhere. Gotta be somewhere.
Don't have the strap with me that I want.
Okay. Guys, there's the Ram logo right there. I'm gonna get off the trailer. Whew.
Alright, do you see any brakes?
Well, not really. All I see is some dry leaves in the engine. That's all I see.
It's got flat tires.
Oh. Oh yeah, it does have kind of flat tires.
Alright, brakes are off.
Ready? Brakes off.
Alright, now you can stay away from there.
Alrighty. Whoa. Alrighty. Guys, it's doing it. I know. It's,
Let's just want to come off there.
okay. Look at how rusty that thing is. Super rusty. Leaves in the engine. And then We got flat tires. Yeah. Oh, dang, that tire's real flat. I'm gonna try and get a better view of that. Because look at how flat that is. Dang. Super flat. Hey. Alrighty. That flat tire, it's not making it that easy, but we're getting it on there, guys. Sure are getting it on. You guys see it? It's moving real slowly. Gonna make it up this ramp. Man. What? Like the line went in the trailer for a second. Alrighty, guys, it's making it.
Alright, yeah. Let's take a look over here for a second.
Yeah.
The camera.
Okay.
I want to document this for the customers.
Yeah.
This is a machine that apparently has been running recently.
Yeah.
It's been sitting here so long, the weeds have grown through the asphalt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think this has run anytime recently.
Yeah. Mhm. Come on. Come on up. As you can see, all the left tires are flat. That one's kind of flat. Then this one is really flat. Okay. Come on, look. Come on, look. Come on, look. Come on, look. You can do it. What?
Jumping around is not going to make a good video.
Okay. Well, look at that. Big griller thingies. Well, it's on the trailer, but not that much.
Alright, stop the video.
Okay. Bye, guys.